How to fix ChatGPT is not available in your country. Hey guys, welcome back to this video. I am going to show you that how to fix ChatGPT is not available in your country. So the only way to solve this error is that you must get a VPN which is named as the NordVPN. For it, what you have to do, you have to just get this VPN and then connect it to your system before entering the website of the ChatGPT. It is a paid VPN. You can also use any free VPN, but the reason behind using the NordVPN is that you will get the smooth connection and your problem will be fixed 100% by using the NordVPN. If you are using the free VPN, then you will get disconnection again and again, and this type of the problem will exist while using your ChatGPT. But in case of the NordVPN, you will get a smooth internet connection without any distortion. And the great news is that you will get 63% off on the NordVPN when you get this VPN through the link that I have shared in this video's description. So what you need to do, you have to just get this VPN through the link that I have shared in this video's description. Once you get this VPN, you have to just connect the server of the France to this VPN, and then you have to just again log into your ChatGPT and your problem will be fixed and you will be able to use ChatGPT in your country without any problem. So that's all for this video. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.